A new AI music king is here, and it's totally free and unlimited. What if I told you could create a full-blown rap, opera, or chill lo-fi track in just 45 seconds using nothing but your ideas and an AI that never runs out of creativity? And oh, it's completely free and unlimited. No subscriptions, no paywalls, no limits. Last week, I asked this AI to create a song for me, and what came back gave me actual goosebumps. Would you trust AI to create your next banger? Would you believe it could match your vibe better than a human producer? Let's test that. You in? Set the scene okay. Be honest. Have you ever dreamed of making music? Not like becoming famous. I mean just vibing to a beat you made, lyrics you wrote, emotions you captured, but then reality kicks in. No gear, no studio, no talent, no chance. That was me just a few months ago. Frustrated, curious, a melody, trapped in my head with no way out. Ever felt that rush when something finally works after endless frustration? That moment when creative imprisonment suddenly breaks? Drop your story in the comments. I really want to know I'm not alone here. Shift 1. Instant music in seconds. Let me show you what happened when I first discovered Riffusion. I typed just 5 words. Chill sunset beach vibes lo-fi. It took 45 seconds, that's it. Out came a beat that felt like summer melting into my headphones. Play first example. Isn't that wild? Would you have expected AI to create something that sounds this professional? No plugins, no downloads, no stress, just pure creation. Want me to drop the link in the comments? Let me know. Shift 2. Pure instrumentals. Then I discovered something even cooler, instrumental mode. Just one toggle gave me full instrumentals without vocals. Perfect for studying, creating, or just chilling out. Want something smooth like lo-fi? Something cinematic like a movie trailer? Riffusion delivers it, fast, for free. What kind of instrumental would you create first? A dramatic movie soundtrack, or something chill like this? Comment below. Shift 3. The Ghostwriter. You didn't know you needed, then I got lazy. I mean, efficient. I clicked compose mode and let Riffusion write my lyrics. It wasn't just passable, it was spooky good. Like, how did it know I was feeling that way? Once you have those lyrics, you can apply any genre tag. Watch what happens when I apply tags like gangster rap, hip hop, and rap. Play rap example. Did you hear how it matched the flow perfectly to the genre? What genre do you secretly love? Drop it below and I'll try it in my next video. Soft. CTA, if you're connecting with these AI music discoveries so far, smash that like button and subscribe. We're just getting started. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Shift 4. Scream, sing, emphasize. This next part blew my mind. You can literally scream into the AI by just typing in caps. Want to hold a note? Right, it longer. Look at how I can control the emphasis by capitalizing words and extending letters to make the AI hold those notes. It's like having a professional singer who follows your exact directions. I decided to push Riffusion to its limits. I wrote custom lyrics with specific instructions and requested something completely unexpected. Opera with orchestral backing. Ever tried to explain emotion through text before? Now it turns that emotion into actual music. What would you scream? Into a song if you could? Tell me in the comments. Shift 5. Pushing the limits. Just when I thought Riffusion couldn't get more impressive, I wanted to see if it could handle something intense like heavy metal. The raw power it captured was incredible. Did you expect AI could rock this hard? What's the most extreme genre you'd want to try? Drop it below. Shift 6. Male and female duets with just text. Here's where everything changed. Duets. In the lyrics section, I labeled the chorus as male vocals and verse 2 as female vocals. The result? Pure magic. A full duet from just how I formatted the text. Ever imagined writing a love song and hearing it sung back to you? It's not always 100% consistent, like other AI tools, but Riffusion gives you actual control over the output with sliders and settings. There's even this thing called a seed number that lets you maintain a consistent style across different generations. What would your dream duet sound like? Who would you pair together? Shift 7. The game changer. Upload your own audio. But here comes the feature that completely transformed how I create music. Something I've never seen in any other AI music tool. You can actually upload your own audio samples. I had this simple guitar riff I recorded on my phone. Nothing fancy, just 7 seconds of an idea. Play guitar sample. That's my original 7-second clip. Now listen to what Riffusion did with it. Did you hear that? It took my simple idea and built an entire song around it, preserving my original style while expanding it into something complete. You don't need to be a producer anymore. You just need an idea. Got a voice memo of you humming something? That's enough. Have you ever had a musical idea you couldn't fully develop? This feature is like having a professional producer finish your Songs for you. Would you upload your own voice? Shift 8. Turn covers into originals. Covers used to be about copying. Now, it's about transforming. I took the same guitar sample we used earlier and transformed it with Riffusion's cover feature. It was pretty good, though if I'm being honest, Suno does covers slightly better. But then I discovered Riffusion's secret. Superpower. Shift 9. The unexpected cleanup. Power here's an accidental discovery that changed everything. I had this simple lo-fi track from another AI tool, but it had this annoying shimmer effect I couldn't remove. Listen to this original with the distracting shimmer. I uploaded it to Riffusion, and look what happened. It cleaned up the entire track perfectly. Isn't that incredible? It's like having a professional audio engineer fix your tracks for free. Have you ever had a great song ruined by one annoying element? This solves that problem instantly. Shift 10. Replace just one line. Ever write a full song but hate just one line? With Riffusion's Replace section feature, you can change just a small part while keeping everything else intact. I'll select just this one line I want to change, give it some wiggle room for smooth transitions, and generate only that section. Perfect. It changed exactly what I wanted while preserving everything else. It's like autocorrect, but for your emotions. Have you ever wished you could rewrite just one moment in your life? This is the musical version of that. Bonus power moves. Here's the icing on the cake. You can download all the individual stems. Just click Get Stems, and Riffusion gives you separated tracks, vocals, drums, bass, instruments, and the more you use Riffusion, the more it learns your style. It studies the songs you create and listen to, helping the model understand exactly what you love. Power tip number 1, use Ghostwriter. Upload sample, Dear's instant radio ready song. Power tip number 2, remix sections for infinite variations. Power tip number 3, mix genre tags for wild hybrids. Rap, opera, lofi? Yes. Which tip are you going to try first? Comment 1, 2, or 3. The big takeaway, you don't need permission to create anymore. You don't need a studio. You don't need a label. You don't need talent. This is literally a professional music studio that fits in your browser, completely free and unlimited. The creativity this unlocks is honestly mind-blowing. You just need curiosity and a spark. Which feature are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe. Because next time, I'll show you how I combined Riffusion with another AI tool to create music that landed me a paid opportunity. Something I never thought possible without years of training. Plus, I'll reveal the AI music trap nobody's talking about and how to avoid getting sued by your own song. Let's build something incredible together.